Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm currently in Thüringen, Germany, and I'm here for about 2 days or so to hopefully capture some autumn colors because they are popping right now. And I have two locations in mind that I for sure want to photograph here. But yeah, hopefully we can capture some other things along the way, because on the drive over here it was already looking really nice, beautiful colors, beautiful autumn colors. So yeah, I'm hoping we can get some cool shots here. So I'm just hiking up to the first location, which is the Ziemes Valley Bridge. It's an abandoned railroad bridge, so the line has been discontinued, and I actually think it's a monument now here. So yeah, it's a bridge tucked away in the forest. It looks really cool. Yeah, just hiking up to the bridge now. You can see it here through the forest. So yeah, I'm up here a little bit on a hill taking some photos. So I have Pia wearing the yellow jacket, just walking up and down the bridge. And so I'm playing around with these leaves here, these yellow leaves. And it really looks cool with the yellow jacket. Makes for some really cool bokeh. So I hope some of these shots turn out. I wasn't feeling super excited about the photos of that evening, so I decided to come back the next morning, hoping to find some better light and perhaps some fog for a more mysterious mood. So I woke up at first light and made my way back towards the bridge. Okay, good morning guys. Yeah, we're back here at the bridge this morning because yesterday quite a few people turned up, and I didn't really want to bother having to Photoshop everyone out. So yeah, right now I'm at a different viewpoint than I was yesterday. You can see my friend Pia is walking right there, and yeah, I've got these trees on the side kind of framing it, and then these beautiful fall colors here in the back of the frame. So yeah, that's kind of the shot I'm going for right now. Alright guys, so it's time to get some drone shots. So let's get it up in the air. All right, I reckon those drone shots are going to be really cool. Then you can really tell like how that bridge is like tucked away in the forest. So right now we're just walking down the railroad here, seeing if we can find some other cool stuff maybe to photograph, because a lot of these trees have turned colors, and yeah, it looks really cool. Let's see what we can find. All right, I think it's time to head back to the van. We're feeling quite hungry, and yeah, I think we got a few cool shots here, so very happy. Really awesome location though. So we're doing a little hike towards the next location, which is a tower in the middle of the forest, and there's like a little house on the top of it. I saw a few photos of it, and after a bit of research I found out where it was. So yeah, we're hiking up there and hopefully get a cool shot. But this woodland here looks really awesome. So many beautiful autumn colors. So I hope we get maybe some other stuff as well. We're gonna walk around for a bit in the forest here. So we're in this really cool part of the forest. It's basically all these huge trees. I think they're pines. And then there's all these very young trees that have changed color around. And I'm just looking for one of those trees that I can kind of isolate. There's one back there. I'll show you. Yeah, it's kind of framed by all of these other trees, these big trees on the side. Yeah. So here we got this really awesome tree tunnel, beautiful colors, and the shot I have in mind is basically two shots in one, which is the one I just took with my friend Pia walking down the trail, and another one where she was throwing leaves in front of the lens. So I'll combine those two, and hopefully that works out nice. We have another really awesome looking tree here, and it's kind of going from like green to yellow to red, and again like framed beautifully in these tall trees around. So I'm just trying to frame it really in the center of these Big trees. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. We had a really beautiful walk through the forest here. Gorgeous forest as well, and I think we got a few pretty cool photos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching again. If you enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe. Just hit that button, hit that notification bell. It will help me out a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!